Kani kadiga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagamenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka kenhun jong ka Public Account Committee jong kani ka jala Meghalaya. Haka khat khandai tarik matau bana jemang arjar arpo, kalasong jalang Ïakren, Halor ki kattu kimat bakam kongsan. Kawai ni kimat bala Ïakren kadai Halor kawai ni ki project jong katnat fishery jong ka jala hakaba ka jingpen ye ka jingpen lon ye ka pisa hakaba pentra ye ka ni project ka balatem kum ka Rashtriya Krishi Ayog Vikas Yojana kamlong ka bapenhon ye ki babon.
Report of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India for the year ended 31st March 2016, which highlighted the unfruitful expenditure incurred by the Fisheries Department of a project which was executed by the MEECL to augment the fishery ponds and hatcheries under a scheme called the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana from the existing 30 lakh fingerlings per annum production to 50 lakhs. But in the process of augmenting and putting in the necessary infrastructure, till date, or to date, the MEECL has yet to hand over the project to the Fisheries Department. The reason being that the work executed by the MEECL was not up to the standard as desired by the Fisheries Department. Hence, the observation that this expenditure was unfruitful was discussed today in length. There were also the decision of the government, of the Agriculture Department, to hand over this project through an agency for execution to MEECL without the knowledge of the Fisheries Department, the parent department. So in a nutshell, to put it, it appears that although the project was intended to enhance the fish production in the state, which is one of the priorities of the state government, this expenditure resulted in the contrary. In fact, we even lost what we were producing. Therefore, we felt it was necessary to call the respective departments and find out what could be done or what could be salvaged in order to ensure that the unfruitful expenditure would eventually become fruitful. So that is in a nutshell I have to put it. We don't have those figures, that you will get it from the Fisheries Department. But there was this scheme which is called the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. Under that scheme, to ensure that the respective states could be self-sufficient in most of the food items and also poultry, this and that, so that you don't have to import. So there's under the 100,000 pond scheme.
No, under that state aquaculture mission.
So this expenditure would have given a fillip to the production of fish in the state. But unfortunately, this has happened.
Nalor kani sakawai pat kamat ke bala Ïakren kadai ru Halor ke jingdan ki pongri dokha hakani ke jala Meghalaya lengba ke aquaculture mission kaba hakani ki khendiat sngi hakajing sisa dewan kampar klan ke jingpen mi ye ki dokha nakani ke jala kenang ba ke jala kan amdon kam bancanya na ki wai pat ke jala jongkari.
The committee has decided to conduct a site inspection on the 26th of this month, so that is next week. The committee would like to see by itself as to the condition of the ponds that we have come to learn that there are no more ponds as of now. Whatever there was has already been washed away and damaged. That was due to the poor quality of work taken up by the MECL. And therefore, the committee has decided that it will conduct a spot inspection on the 26th of May and then decide the future course of action to be taken up. These ponds which we are talking about were having 30 lakh fingerlings at the point when it was to be started. So what the department thought, by sanctioning 2 crores rupees, they will repair and augment the production to 50 lakhs. Now even that 30 lakhs that was there has gone. It's no longer there. So it is quite serious. The matter is very serious. Now at this point of lockdown, when we are all looking for self-sufficiency, self-reliance, we were looking forward that there will be sufficient fish production in the state. Now we come across this kind of situation where even the ponds that are existing, they have vanished. 30 lakhs fingerlings, they have also gone. So this matter is serious. That's why the PSC has taken this matter very seriously, and we are going to conduct a site inspection, a spot inspection on the 26th. The Fisheries Department got alerted to come and inspect the ponds considered to be completed. Now what has happened? Is this money was sanctioned by the Agriculture Department under the RKBY. Now from this RKBY fund, the money was transferred to a farmers consortium. This consortium released the money directly to MECL. The Fisheries Department do not have any trace of this money in their book of accounts. Can you believe that? They do not have in their book of accounts this 2 crores. Fisheries do not know. So this consortium, farmers consortium of the Agriculture Department, directly transferred this money to the MECL of 2 crores and asked the MECL to do up this work without the knowledge of the Fisheries Department. Until 98% of the work considered to be have completed by the MECL informed the fisheries to come and see that your ponds are ready. When the fisheries officer went to see these ponds, they found that these ponds are all leaking, and most of the work are substandard quality work. The water was not retaining, there was no retention of water. So all these ponds immediately dried up, and hence this case today.